Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the world of high-speed networking with the best Ethernet cable on the market, the Jadaol Cat 6 Ethernet cable 50 feet. If you're looking for blazing fast internet speeds and rock-solid reliability, look no further. So, what sets this cable apart from the rest? Let's break it down. First and foremost, let's talk performance. This cable supports speeds of up to 10 gigabits per second, ensuring lightning-fast data transfer for all your streaming, gaming, and browsing needs. But speed is just one piece of the puzzle. Durability is equally important, and the Jadaol Cat 6 Ethernet cable delivers in spades. With its high-quality construction and rugged design, you can count on this cable to stand the test of time. But wait, there's more. This cable isn't just fast and durable, it's also incredibly versatile. Whether you're setting up a home office, gaming rig, or entertainment center, this cable has you covered. Plus, its flat design makes it easy to route along walls, under carpets, and around corners, ensuring a clean and seamless installation every time. Don't just take my word for it, though. The Jadaol Cat 6 Ethernet cable has garnered rave reviews from customers around the world. With an average rating of 4.7 stars and over 125,000 satisfied customers, it's clear that this cable is a winner. So there you have it, folks, the best Ethernet cable 50 feet on the market. Whether you're a hardcore gamer, a streaming enthusiast, or just someone who demands the best, the Jadaol Cat 6 Ethernet cable is sure to impress. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique, and until next time, happy surfing.